But what if I fail? Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Have you ever said this before? Had that worry about, oh my gosh, what if I just fall on my face and make a fool of myself, make a disaster? Well, what if you don't take any steps at all? What if you don't take the chance? Regret might hurt even more. But let's talk about failure. Let's talk about persistence, and almost knowing that you're going to fail is what might actually help you, knowing that it's going to take a lot of runs at it to make it big. Don't take my word for it. Let's go for a couple stories here. Have you ever had a squeaky hinge or a rusty metal part and you wanted to get it to glide smoothly? What are you going to reach for? WD-40, right? Little spray. The squeak is gone. It's in the name itself, but they took 39 failures before they found the 40th, right? Water displacement, 40, WD-40. Another example, Xerox, Chester Carlson. He solved, right, the electrophotography idea, okay? And this was rejected by over 20 companies. It took the 21st for him to finally make it big, find a partner, and of course, launch the company Xerox that we know today. Don't make that mistake of holding back because of fear of failure. Take that first step with confidence, knowing that it might be 2 steps forward and 1 step back. So if you're ready to take that step forward, I'm going to offer a hand up and a free discovery call at boldpatents.com. Our firm is here to help you, the individual inventor, the idea, the dreamer, help you get that first step moving forward toward eventual success. All right, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Wishing you a great day. Go big, go bold.